Ready to experience ultra-fast Wi-Fi? This section guides you through the initial setup of your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router. First, unbox your router. Connect the Ethernet cable from your Spectrum modem's LAN port to the router's WAN port. Plug in the power adapter and power on the router, placing it in a central, elevated location for optimal signal. Once powered on, connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network, typically labeled Spectrum Setup XXXX, or check the label on the router. This connects you to the setup interface. Now you can move to initial activation. With your devices connected to the Wi-Fi 7 router, it is time to activate it. Proceed to the Spectrum app available on iOS and Android, or visit spectrum.net/activate. Log in using your Spectrum account credentials. The app will guide you through any necessary firmware updates, which may take 5 to 10 minutes. Next, customize your Wi-Fi network by setting up a custom SSID, network name, password, and security settings. WPA3 is recommended. For optimal Wi-Fi 7 performance, enable the 6 GHz band if available. Finally, use the Spectrum app's speed test to confirm your connection is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, reboot your modem and router or contact Spectrum support at 1-800-892-4357. Activation typically takes 15 to 30 minutes. Remember to keep your router's firmware updated through the app for the latest security patches and performance improvements.